So hello to people, today we have this KTM 250 Adventure with us. So this bike we got yesterday in the showroom, and today we'll be checking out the mileage of this Adventure 250 with 1 liter of petrol which I have in this 1 liter Bisleri bottle. So this bike is completely fueled out and there is no any sort of fuel in this. We'll be filling this 1 liter of fuel in it, and we'll be checking the mileage or the exact kilometers using one app. I'll be showing you all that. So we'll be filling this petrol inside that. Okay, let's fill in this. Okay, now I fill this bike with 1 liter of fuel. So the difference between the 390 Adventure and this 250 Adventure is that you will be getting the halogen lights in this in the middle and LED DRLs, but in 390 you will be getting the fully LED DRLs, and pretty much everything is same. The seat height is 855 mm, ground clearance is 200 mm. 855 in the sense when we convert to feet it's like 2.5 something around that. Tank capacity is 14.5 liters tank capacity, and weight is around like 155 kg. This is powered by 248cc single cylinder which provides 29.5 HP of power and 24 Newton meter of torque. It's actually pretty much good for this bike. Damn, and it looks same like 390, man. So in the 390 when I used to test the mileage, it gave around like 26 approximate in the city, and in the highway it used to give around like 32. Let's check this mileage of this 250 Adventure. Tires are like MRF. To climb this bike, to sit on this bike, you need to hold this. You need to sit on this bike like this because it's adventure bike, man. The 390 Adventure had little more bass in that, but it's okay in this 250 Adventure. It's also quite good. Exhaust sound is actually good. Okay, there is an app called Samsung Health app. So I'll start this. Where this bike stop, we'll get to know the exact kilometer, how much it will be given. First we'll test the initial acceleration, how it feels compared to 390. 0, 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, the initial acceleration is really good and the braking was really good. You will be getting the 12 volts charger, USB charger like 390 Adventure. You will be having the option to turn off the rear ABS. This is a dual channel ABS system. Wow, the suspension feels really good actually. You can just stand on this and ride, man. Wow, it's pretty much very comfortable to stand also. The bike feels very light, man. I don't feel much of weight in this. It feels very light. It's cool actually to ride this vehicle inside the city. Let's test. Okay, we'll test this bike in somewhat like bit traffic, like how it performs. You can see. Traffic also you can just easily overtake the people, so I can feel the really comfortableness in this, and the reliability is very good actually. Wow, feels so good to ride this bike, man. Okay, the bike is stopping now. So the mileage gave around like 36 km per liter. So this bike is actually very good for riding inside the city, for off-road and everything. The tires are really good, very much comfortable, pretty much comfortable. So mileage they gave around like 36 actually good inside the city. We need to ride in economy mode to test the mileage. Since it's a fuel injection engine, it's not recommended to dry the bike fully and to test the mileage like this, but once or twice it's fine, but doing it regularly may harm the fuel pump, so don't do this. So we'll finish this video today. See you all in the next vlog. Until then, bye.